Good afternoon. My name is Colby Lopez with WIT Contracting Solutions. We're here today at Mr. David Pfluger's here in Taylor, Texas. It is currently 83 degrees outside. Beautiful day. Here to do a repairability test. Basically how this is going to go is obviously we have our test shingle that we'll be pulling out and putting back in. The shingles 1 through 4 are the shingles that have to be manipulated. Oh, sorry, I'm missing an A4 on that one. That have to be manipulated in order to pull test shingle out. And how I'm doing this, I will have to release all seals on every shingle involved in this repairability test. I'll be doing that with just a small pry bar. Once I have everything, all the seals broken off, I will then pull the nails through the shingles, getting all the shingles out so the shingles can lay back on a flat surface. Once I pull test shingle out, I will then slide it back in. In doing so, I will install new fasteners up there in that bag right there. Same standard size. After all said and done, all fasteners should be laid back down. Then we'll be looking for 3 things, kind of here are major: granulation, linear creasing, and material transfer. Three major things we're kind of looking throughout this repairability test to see if these shingles are pliable to work with. Over here that you see is, sorry, tripod right here. I'm by myself today. This is a control center. This area I just marked up the same as that area over there. It's going to be untouched, so you can kind of see a before and an after of a repairability test. One thing I kind of want to point out is manufacturer's installation instructions requires that nails be driven on a flat surface. So sometimes we hear from adjusters saying, oh, you picked up the shingles too high. Well, I'm only picking it up at a necessary height to drive a nail flat. So the shingle will come over my hammer just enough for me to hit a nail flat on the nail line and without hitting the shingle itself. Okay, because I have to do that. I can't drive any nails at an angle. Like I said, I am here by myself and I'm not trying to make this video very long. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and put this on the tripod and begin my test. This off too. All right, just coming there with the pry bar. And I'll be talking to you, so kind of letting you know what I'm feeling and what I'm seeing as well. I'll bring the camera up close once everything's all said and done so you can see. So I'm just getting these, breaking the seal. These they are so down pretty good. It's gonna require some finessing. This one here to pick up. Oh. Test shingle is torn right here just by trying to get the seal strip broken. Again, I'm trying to, these things are just stuck like glue. I'm gonna get a putty knife to help me manipulate the seal strip to get it to come up. Again, I'm trying to be very careful not to tear these shingles. another tear on test shingle. Shingles 3 of sealing strip. There are 2 slight tears. Make sure the camera's spacing a good angle. Yep. Still rolling. Yep. Okay. Do it up to shingle 1. Slight tear in 1 as well. Slight tear in 1. I'm going to try working from the other side. Shingles, as of now, don't seem very pliable to work with. I haven't even pulled the nails through yet. I'm worried. Shingle 1 is seal is released. Moving to shingle 2. Tear on shingle 2. God. Another slight tear on shingle 2. I'm not sure if I can get shingle 2 up.